Hey there. Just wanted to jump on here and talk a little bit about Better Replay. This app has been a game changer for my company. Um, at first, we launched the store and we weren't exactly sure what was causing problems or why people weren't converting. And shortly after installing this app, we began to see our customers interact with the website and we kind of saw the problems. One being that our currency converter wasn't working properly. Huge problem, because if your customer can't see the price in their currency, the chances of them converting are going to be close to none. Um, and so with Better Replay, it gives you an idea of how your customers are interacting with your store and what you can do better to better suit them and to get your conversion value up. Another thing about Better Replay is that it's very fast and it's live. So as soon as a customer is on your website or leaves, and you can correct and make your site better right away. So I really can't stress enough how good Better Replay is, and I tell everyone about it and love them.